regarding doing laundry, the Bavli brings a mahaloketh between Amoraim, whether the Isur is the actual act of doing laundry in and of itself, or wearing laundered clothes. And the Bavli is posek lehumra, that just washing clothes, even if you do not intend to wear them during the Shavua SheChal is asur. In the Yerushalmi, there's only one opinion, and that opinion is the other opinion, that it's not the actual laundering, but the wearing of laundered clothes that is asur. So even though the Bavli is mahmir, I think there is room to be mekel about that, particularly based on the Yerushalmi, particularly because nowadays, as opposed to in earlier generations, including my father's generation, he related to me how they used to do laundry. It was quite an event where they used to strip all the beds or the sheets, etc., every 2 weeks, and then there was a big to-do how it was washed, etc. It was a noteworthy event. No one takes any note of these things nowadays. Things are just thrown in the machine and taken out of the machine and hung up or thrown in the dryer. The actual laundering itself is certainly nothing mesameach today at all. Once it was mesameach, just the act of doing laundry, which was not done on such a regular basis as we do today. It was not nearly as easy and convenient as it is today. That's in terms of the question of doing laundering. On top of that, you have to, in terms of wearing laundered clothes, you have to recall that we all have the din, the status of astenisim today. So we can all wear, in my view, laundered clothes.
Thank you, Rabbi Bar-Hayim. We would like to encourage our viewers to share these videos with friends and send in your responses. We would also like to suggest the following opportunity to our viewers. If you identify with Rabbi Bar-Hayim's message and would like to sponsor or dedicate a video interview with the rabbi in honor or memory of a loved one, if you would like to obtain Birkon Nusach Eretz Yisrael or invite the rabbi for a speaking engagement, please email us at office@machonshilo.org.